Alright, today we are hanging out underneath the sink and we're going to change out this garbage disposal. First things first, I'm going to start by removing the power. Next, we're going to start by removing the plumbing. This is the dishwasher line. And this is the drain line. Alright, now that those lines are disconnected, we need to unscrew this from the drain connector. Got one of these fancy disposal tools. And that's it, just remove it from the sink and set her down. I've got my new garbage disposal right here. I took the cord, tried to get the cord off the other one, but I couldn't, so I just cut it. And I'm gonna wire this one up. I'm gonna start by adding this connector on to make sure that I don't strip my wires bare when they're coming into this entrance. The steel is sharp and that'll protect the wire. And just to give us a little bit more room here, we'll back some of these out. Bending the wires in the way you need them to go always helps. Okay, now that I got them out, there's enough room for me to work. I'm gonna make my connections. Okay, I took everything away and put the plate back on. Okay, last but not least, there's a little plug in here. And you can maybe see it. Let me see if I can get a light. See that plug inside of here? This is the dishwasher drain. That has to be knocked out before we can install this. Grab a punch. And a hammer. Okay, that fell out. There it is. Okay, we are ready to install this. I will take you back under the sink. All right, now that the electrical is hooked up and the knockout is removed for the dishwasher hookup, we are ready to take this back up and install it. So first thing we're gonna do is screw it onto the threads here. Okay, now that it's on, I'm gonna make sure to tighten it. All right, it seems pretty tight. I'm just gonna replace this pipe the way it was, and before I get started, I'm gonna place this rubber gasket over this end. Gonna line this up there. Turn this all together to make sure that it fits. Okay, last but not least, let's connect the dishwasher again. I'm gonna reroute this the way it was, which was up in here. Last step, plug it back in. And before you turn on any water, just go ahead and make sure that all of your drain pipes are connected again. Make sure everything's hand tight. There's no need for pipe wrenches or any type of tools. The PVC won't leak as long as it's hand tight. There's the new garbage disposal, all intact. Let's see how it works. Sure looks like it works to me. Got no leaks. Everything looks watertight. And if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe below and go ahead and like this video.